saying I'm sweating. Mama, not easy at all. So, how are you doing? Hope you're all fine. This is again Edith Curtis, bringing in another episode of Luombo. We are going to do a luombo, a pumpkin luombo. I don't know how I can explain that, but we are going to do beef in pumpkin. That's I call it what should I call it? Yes, pumpkin luombo. Beef pumpkin luombo. Yeah, so we are going to prepare that. It is a natural sweet, I don't know how, but it is very organic, very sweet, because we do not include in any of the cooking oil or what. So before anything, we first of all roast our beef. When we roast our beef, there is that good scent that it comes with when it is ready, you know. So that's what we want to restore, that's what we want to get. That is what appetizes that person that is going to eat our luombo. So we are going to first of all roast it. I don't know that I've already prepared my what I put on those how do I call it, those peels of matoke, just to bring out that also the good scent. Things concerning the scent, we can use the peels of an onion. When you've peeled those onion peels, they help bring in that good scent to your beef or chicken, because you can roast beef, you can roast chicken, so they help in that. And then they help not fire reaching that beef so much, so it also protects it from that direct fire. So this beef is so good because it is having fats, so I'm so sure the outcome will be magorentious. It will be just beautiful. It is kind of much fire. So here we are. We are now ready. Now we shall prepare a little bit of our spices, then see which is which. We see how it will come out. Here we are preparing our saucepan. So I will have to put in water at this point, just to raise it, not to get burnt when it is just. Let me get some water, then come. Here we are. Then our next step is to cut out the inside. We have to shape out this. Then we put in our but then before anything, let me first wash it, just to make sure things are and then just because some of us eat that outside, but actually it's nutritious. Yes, when we eat it, yes, you can eat it without it, but if you need those nutrients in your body, you know, those cells building up your immune system, these all help in that. So let me wash it first, then you see what. Wash it so that we eat something. After washing it, let me put this somewhere here so that it comes to sit a bit down. See, now it's clean. Put it there. Where's my sharp knife? Is it this? I think it's this. So, now we cut this out. But, Hinda kola. Hinda kola. Hinda kola. Oina gundi. Mpaka sana. Mamulinde kwa mulala. The way I'm sweating, my dear. It's too. So you see, this is how beautiful it is. It's like a flower, right? Isn't it? What we do, these are so useful. So for that case, I'm going to put them aside. Just wanted the seeds. So let me put it here, since we shall need to wash. So the next thing is to pull out these seeds like that. And it also again I'm telling you. Are you recording? Opposites. So, here we are. I don't know whether you can see inside. See how it is looking. Remove all the things inside. So, we have to wash it well. Very well. Reason being, we shall eat the inside. But it does not need that much washing. Reason being, it's already organic. You've just removed this, so it is just fresh, you know. Here we are. These are my ingredients. I showed you how we do them. So add in some salt. Then after adding in some salt, I'm just adding more. I think you see the beauty. So we shall cut this. We put it inside. What else is that we shall cut into pieces, but Maki, we are having our husbands, so we have to prepare something big for them, and then others, some others like us. So we get our small pieces. So for our beloved husbands, we shall such a beauty, like this is what our husbands eat. The beauty part of the beef is for our husbands, you understand? So actually in our culture, you get the beef for our husbands. We tie in the what? We tie in the fight. Just that for today it will not be able. But we get this. You know this chai, the fiber. We tie in the beef of our husbands. But for today, we are sorry, our beloved husbands. We shall not. We shall not do that. So we are here. Oh my God! Then we start that good what? Good scent. Look at that. Yeah. So I want to test whether salt is there, and I cannot touch in the what? Yeah, it's fine. So we get our lid. See, doing right now. I'm trying to. Yes. So what we do? Put it here. Use this place here. But this being so big, I should try to reduce on the size. Then we get our pumpkin. Yeah. See? Then bring it up. This. So we get this, put it here, okay. Then I'll cover it. Then first cut. So zinegeza so here we are. Nene dolagalo. So here we are. Oh my God. Organic. Our organic what? Our organic food. Here. Oh my God. That's how it looks. So this is how far we've come. Now our food is very, very ready. We are going to enjoy our meal. Thank you so much for following. We shall be bringing more like this with time. Thank you so much. This is Edith Curtis. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment. I'll be glad finding your comment. Thank you so much. Love you.